welcome to day 17 of hashtag 21 days to good skin. Do you know the reason why we get acne and pimples and stuff on our skin? It happens when our open pores get clogged with the dirt and the pollution and the oil which we tend to face every day doing our everyday things. So our focus should always be on unclogging those pores so that we do not face such problems. And in today's face mask, we're going to do that using oats. Oats has a natural compound called saponins, which are natural cleansers. So it's going to be so much fun. We'll also add a spoonful of honey to make it even softer for our skin. So let's begin. So I kept the oatmeal face pack for about 10 minutes and I also scrubbed it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's a great scrub, so do not forget to exfoliate it. Also, next time when you're making oats for your breakfast, save yourself a spoonful of oats and use it on your skin and see it for yourself. And you can thank me later. I will see you tomorrow in episode 18. Bye for now.